mistake,
Yeah.
they will easily acknowledge. They will not hide it.
Yes.
Because they know you are not perfect as well.
Yes.
It's not that they're going to exploit it to their advantage.
Yes.
Of course, when somebody makes a mistake, there are repercussions.
Yes.
That one has to be clear.
Yeah.
You set clear boundaries.
Yes.
It's not that you're just going to say, make a mistake. It's okay. I'm also human. I also make mistakes. No,
Yeah.
that's not what you're communicating.
Yeah.
You're communicating that when you make a mistake, own it.
Own it. Take responsibility.
Take responsibility.
Yeah.
And make amends. Make good when you are able to. There are certain mistakes we will make and you're not able to make amends, but take responsibility.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Taking responsibility is paramount for everyone. If you don't take responsibility, it's quite unfortunate. I know, of course, sometimes our moods are determined by where we come from.
Yes.
Our homes, ladies, you find that a very abusive husband, abusive wife.
Sometimes also the timing of the month.
Maybe, timing of the month. Maybe timing of the month. Of course, through these soft skills as a man, that's where you'll be trained and told that through this month, probably you may encounter a junior or a senior with you going through this challenge at your job, at employment, that she's going through this time of the month and you need to know on how to deal with that. Maybe you may even look at your, your junior who's a lady or your senior. Maybe she conceived and she's pregnant. And then this time, she's not revealed to you that she's pregnant, but you see her mood swing changes.
Emotional intelligence.
This is emotional intelligence. That's where it comes in. And most of us, we are not trained. You work with the ladies, you don't even know that at some point, the ladies go through their process. Or maybe she conceived or you do know this. And then the best way you can is just actually bash with her. Wow. So anybody looking for soft skills, where do they go to learn them? Because they're deeper and they're many.
Okay.
How does somebody move forward to get these soft skills to improve their career and get to where they want?
There are so many platforms, I would say.
Yeah.
Several platforms.
Yes.
You'll ask me, how did you hone these skills?
Yes.
And how are you honing these skills? I would say I'm still a work in progress.
Yeah.
But I've used different platforms. I have I've done courses online.
Yes.
I have read books.
Yes.
On how to improve myself in soft skills.
Yes.
But also, this is a time for you to look out for a person like me.
Yes.
Because I train,
yes.
I have conversations concerning soft skills.
Yes.
So look out for me at an individual level. You could organize a group and I have a conversation. I have done this with Compassion International. I've talked with them about soft skills, about personal branding, about how you show up. I was today. I was seeing you today.
Like today he told me I put on blue trousers with black socks. I was matching. But he says I made a mistake. These are some of the soft skills. Of course, I told him, man, I left home when it was so early, and I thought I was actually going to put on my black pants.
And I told him that's an excuse.
That's an excuse. So, guys, sometimes when you say this to someone, they may think that maybe you're being critical of them, and they don't take it keenly.
Okay.
But it's learning.
It is learning. And by the way, one thing we need to know about soft skills is having an open mind. Honestly speaking, there are people who will come to criticize you.
Yes.
Now, that's what, they are intertwined.
Yes.
That's when you need to be aware of who you are.
Wow.
There are people who come to talk to you and they're commenting about how you have shown up and they're trying to pull you down.
Wow. Let me give you something as we conclude. There's something I'd want us to talk about. Something very sensitive.
Yes.
You are in this workplace.
Yeah.